Everybody knows I'm a big hunter, and got me some deer right here. We're fixing to grind it up. We're gonna make bacon deer burgers. And you talk about good. Me and Miss Jenna love to do these all the time. Hey y'all, I know a lot of y'all not hunters, but if you're a hunter, you know what to do. If not, watch me. I'm fixing to trim this deer up a little bit. And we're gonna get some of this sinew and stuff off, a little of this extra skin. Let me tell you a little story, y'all. I remember killing this deer actually. A lot of y'all might not know this, but I just got me some new hearing aids so I can hear everything, okay? Well, I was in Missouri doing a little deer hunting, going down this dirt road, probably about 5-6 miles. There's no lights, no nothing down this road, no electricity, no houses, nothing. I'm riding down this road. I get way in the back, way back in the back. I'm talking about 5 miles back there. We're not seeing, I'm by myself. There's nobody around nowhere. I get out my truck, get my gun. I walk probably a half a mile through the woods. Mind you now, this is 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I get back there, I got a hay bale set up. I got a tent on top of the hay bale. I get in there, it's 10 degrees, okay? It is cold, the wind's blowing 30 miles an hour. I get in my blind, I'm sitting there, and I open the curtains so I can see out, and I hear somebody talking. I said, well, who is that? Because there ain't nobody back here. There ain't nothing but fields, nothing but corn. That's it, corn and woods. So I'm sitting there, I hear people talking. Then I hear 4 or 5 people talking. And I'm dropping the curtains, I'm looking. Now it's 4 o'clock in the morning now. There ain't nobody that lives back here. I'm looking, I'm thinking I'm gonna see a light, a flashlight or something, but nobody, not nobody. And all of a sudden I'm hearing 5 people talk. I said, they got to be here somewhere. What is going on? I pulled my phone out of my pocket and I was on YouTube. And I had these new hearing aids and they're Bluetooth. And somehow I was getting the signal, but I thought I didn't know what was going on. I thought somebody followed me back there. All right, y'all, let's get this stuff grinding. We're gonna cut this thing on. Deer meat is real lean. I'm telling you about real lean. There's no fat in deer really at all. So what we're doing here, we're adding bacon to it. And we're taking this bacon and we're grinding it up with the deer and it's mixing in. We're gonna mix it real good, real good. And that's what makes a good deer burger. You want a fine grind, just about like hamburger meat, in its way I like to do it. And same with your bacon, just blend it all in together, mix it up. If you look real close, you could actually see the deer meat and the fat mixing together. All right, y'all, that's what we want right there. That is beautiful. We're gonna get our meat right here. We're gonna mix it all in together. I'm gonna grab some of these breadcrumbs. I'm putting exactly this much in here. Gives a little filler. It makes the burger stick together better. Now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get an egg. I'm gonna drop us 1 egg in there. I'm probably gonna do 1 egg would be sufficient. All right, we're gonna mix this egg in here. Mix it up real good. Because we want this really mixed good. We're probably gonna need a few more of these breadcrumbs. Boy, if I ain't messy. That's why Miss Janet makes me cook outside. Well, we're gonna mix this all together, get it the right texture. We're gonna make some little balls out of it. Everybody does it different, but if you want to do it right, watch me. Okay, we're going to slide this to the side. I'm going to grab a chunk. Make all different kinds of sizes of it. About 5 or 6 ounces, that'll look about right. Throw it down there. I like a big burger, y'all. I want to taste that deer meat, that bacon all together with the breadcrumbs. Drop a little seasoning on it in a minute. Look at there. There's 4 pretty burgers sitting there. Set them right there. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be right back and I'll show y'all the rest of it. Let me show y'all this little trick. This is sesame oil. Got my griddle heated up. Look, don't want a bunch. Little dot here, little dot there, here. We're gonna grab these burgers. Ooh, we're gonna drop this one right there in that oil. Drop this one right there in this oil. Oh-hoo-wee. That is actually gonna give it a little different taste. Got my Blackstone burger press. I'm fixing to show y'all something. And believe it or not, CJ showed me how to do this. Yes, I say it again. CJ showed me how to do this. All right, we burned our burgers in. Throw the ball down there. Usually you gotta use some kind of paper or something to put on it so it don't stick to this. But now we got them kind of cooked in, we're gonna flip it. See that? Look at that. Flip it just like that. Look at there. One more time. We got it. And once you flip your burgers like that, then you can stick your press on them. Press them down. That dang CJ. He don't know much, but let's get some of this whiskey burger and drop it on there and see what that does. All right. I use a lot of it. You use how much you want. You're making your burgers. These ain't these little bitty smash burgers. This is the real deal right here. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the heat down on these a little bit. We're gonna let them cook down a little bit more and then we're gonna flip them. I like to wait and flip them 2 or 3 times sometimes. What it's doing right now is rendering down the bacon fat, and oh golly, the smells coming out of there are just crazy. I like a fried egg on my burger. I don't know about y'all. So I'm gonna do 1 egg for each burger. We're gonna flip these things one more time. This is it. This is the real deal. Now we got the hot side up. I'm gonna cut this off. I think I'm gonna do not 1, but 2 pieces of cheese, y'all. Yes, we got to flip these eggs. Everybody cooks the eggs how they want them. Let me get my buns, y'all. Who done bought these little bitty buns? Lord have mercy. We're gonna throw the buns on here, y'all. I just like to toast my buns. Just makes them gooder. All right, here we go. Get over here. Now that's gonna help melt that cheese on the top. Now you can put whatever you want on top of these cheeseburgers. A lot of people add mustard and mayonnaise and lettuce and tomatoes. I don't feel you need all that. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this bottom bun. Who wants to be first? All right, you get over here. Ooh, look at there. That is bacon deer cheeseburger at its finest. Ooh, yeah. Look, you can see the bacon in there. See the bacon fat? Y'all, go get your deer, grind it up, get some breadcrumbs, an egg, a little bacon, mix it all up, and you got you something good to eat. But, hey, you don't have to eat it my way. You don't have to have an egg on it. You can put pickles, mustard, mayonnaise, however you want it. Do it your way. Get your Blackstone and do it your way. Y'all, this is super good.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bar.